What is the difference between lawful and unlawful combatant immunity? In today's world, the principles of international humanitarian law are more relevant than ever. Recent conflicts have sparked discussions about combatant status. Many people are asking, what is the difference between lawful and unlawful combatant immunity? Understanding this distinction is essential for anyone interested in the rules governing armed conflict. Lawful combatants are individuals who are part of the armed forces of a party in a conflict. They must meet specific criteria set by international law. These criteria include carrying arms openly and having a distinctive sign that is recognizable at a distance. They also must conduct their operations according to the laws and customs of war. Furthermore, lawful combatants should be under the command of a person responsible for their actions. When lawful combatants engage in hostilities, they benefit from combatant immunity. This means they cannot be prosecuted for lawful acts of war as long as they comply with the rules of armed conflict. If they are captured, they are entitled to prisoner of war status and the protections outlined in the Third Geneva Convention. On the other hand, unlawful combatants do not meet these criteria. They may include civilians who take up arms without following the established rules, members of militias or volunteer corps that do not respect the laws of war also fall into this category. Additionally, spies and saboteurs operating covertly are considered unlawful combatants. Unlawful combatants do not enjoy combatant immunity. They can be prosecuted under domestic law for their actions during hostilities. Unlike lawful combatants, they are not entitled to prisoner of war status. However, they must still be treated humanely under international law. This includes protections against torture and summary execution. The key difference between these two categories lies in their legal status and the protections they receive. Lawful combatants have immunity for their lawful acts of war and specific rights if captured. In contrast, unlawful combatants lack such immunity and may face criminal charges, although they still have protections against inhumane treatment. This distinction aims to balance military necessity with humanitarian considerations. It ensures that those who fight according to recognized rules are protected while holding accountable those who do not. Understanding these differences is vital for anyone following current events related to international humanitarian law.